Helene made landfall in Florida's Big Bend, bringing 140-mile-per-hour winds and a catastrophic 20-foot storm surge. The National Hurricane Center warned of life-threatening storm surges along Florida's west coast. Nearly 1 million power outages were reported across Florida, with outages spreading into Georgia and the Carolinas as well. Florida's National Weather Service issued an extreme wind warning as Helene's dangerous eye wall approached. St. Pete Beach and surrounding areas experienced rapid storm surge flooding, cutting off access to certain neighborhoods. Emergency officials in Big Bend urged residents to write their names on their arms if they stayed despite evacuation orders.